Okay, Rikesh is watching iZombie and he's wearing the headphones and he thinks the sound is coming through the headphones. So, Rikesh, please play. What do you think of your sound, Rikesh? What do you think of the sound quality?
What are you talking about?
The sound quality of the show.
It's fine.
Okay.
Why are you cool?
Okay, it doesn't make a difference. What do you think? What do you think about the sound quality of my headphones? I'm serious. Rikesh, what do you think about the sound quality of my headphones?
Sounds cool.
Okay, how about you take the headphones off?
Why?
Just for a moment. Okay, now press play.
No.
Press play.